Ever since I started living alone, I have been through a lot of different emotions that I never felt before. Like I always wanted to have someone around me, even if I'm not talking to them, as I was always scared of being alone. It's difficult, but I feel good that I did. And now, I want to do all those things which I'm scared of. Traveling alone is one such thing. Like it's always in my head that I can never travel alone. But now I think I have the strength to do it. I never took initiatives in my life. But now, I want to be more responsible and to be serious of how I want to live my life. What are the things I actually want to do? I think we should always do those things which we fear the most, because that's how we learn. And the day we stop learning, we stop growing. So get out of your comfort zone, take one step forward and decide, what do you want to do? Because there is no one in this world that is going to do it for you.